Once again, this is Africans in Diaspora Online Network. Election is just by the corner. This is February 1st, 24 days to go. In fact, 23 days to go for us to make a good choice. Anyway, as I said, campaign is on everywhere. In Nigeria, campaign is ongoing. So I'll just play a clip of what's happening. Clip of Atiku Abubakar, Tinubu, Peter Obi campaigning in different places. Atiku was in Sokoto State. Obi was in Adamawa State, the hometown of Atiku, and Tinubu was in Anambra State, the hometown of Obi. I just played a short video of it, and we're all campaigning. As I said before, I'm campaigning for Peter Obi. All right. Please, I would like you to share the video as you watch. Share the video. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. And again, also, I would like you to follow our page. Okay? It's important because, as I said, I'm going to be doing this every day until election day. Let's make our vote count. If not gotten your PVC, please go and take your PVC. It's important. If you take your PVC, go and take your PVC. You need it, okay, to become vote count, to change what is happening in our country. You need your PVC. It's so important. All right. So now I'm going to play what will be trending today, all the campaign. I'll just play it, then I'll come back, then play another video I call it today. As I said, as you're watching, kindly share the video on our page and let's make it work. Okay? It's important we make it work. That is how it's supposed to be. Okay? Now let's go.
Candidates of the leading political parties are campaigning vigorously in the lead-up to the February 25th presidential election. On Monday, the People's Democratic Party's flag bearer, Atiku Abubakar, took his campaign to Sokoto, where he sympathized with the people of the state over bandits' activities resulting to many deaths, and promised to end insecurity and boost the country's economy if he becomes president.
We intend to put more boots on the ground, equip our men, and also work with the state government to see we will have state police. This will definitely bring about law and order so that our economy can begin to pick, particularly agriculture. Sokoto being a bastion of agricultural economy.
Well, the Labour Party's presidential candidate, Peter Obi, took his campaign to Atiku's home state of Adamawa, where he promised to build a new Nigeria if elected president. He also assured Nigerians that he will do everything possible to fight insecurity.
All the country has done in the past 20 years is to manufacture poverty. To manufacture insecurity. To ensure that people are unemployed. That they can suffer. To bring misery to all the family. That is what we are saying. It has come to an end.
Well, Bola Ahmed Tinubu, the presidential candidate of the All Progressives Congress, took his campaign to Peter Obi's home state of Anambra, dressed in the traditional Ishiagu regalia, and was welcomed by a large crowd and masquerades. Tinubu at the rally said Obi, the state's former governor, lives in Lagos because he is guilty of not developing his home state and is a danger to those who will fall for his misrule. He urged the people of Anambra not to vote for him because he is incapable of keeping a promise.
I'm not afraid of anybody. And I don't worry. The man who left here,
Let's vote rightly.
he called himself Peter Obi. We read in the Bible that before cock crows 3 times, he will deny Jesus Christ. He denied. So how can he keep a promise to you if we cannot give promise to God?
Well, social media was
Wow,
awash
wow,
with
wow,
reactions on Tuesday after the APC flag bearer, Bola Ahmed Tinubu, at the party's presidential campaign rally in Calabar, the Cross River State capital, slammed the President Muhammadu Buhari-led government over the depreciation of the nation's currency. Well, according to Tinubu, when the government took over, the Naira-dollar exchange rate was about 200 Naira to a dollar, but has depreciated to about 800 Naira to the dollar on the parallel market. Let's take a listen before we take some reactions.
Don't let them lie to you about change of currency. They've never understand what inflation is all about. They never understand what money laundering is all about. They never understand keeping our currency in the dark corner of their room. To change and torture, move the exchange rate from 200 to 800. If they have repaired it.
Guck mal, ich habe ein Geschenk für dich, tatsächlich.
Yeah,
Ich schenke dir diesen Online-Kurs im Wert von...
Yeah. So let's vote wisely. It's important we vote wisely. Get your PVC and let's make it count. It's important we make it count. It's so important. We make it count. That is how it's supposed to be. That's why I said we have to. I'm preaching. I'm campaigning right now. Get your PVC. Let's make it count. It's important. Okay? Let's make it
Know how to think.
important to make it count.
They don't know how to do.
Let's take some reactions. They moved the exchange rate from 2 to 200 to 800. They don't know the way. They don't know how to think. They don't know how to do. Please, who are they Tinubu is referring to? Because it is a sin. They. Well, Santos wrote, Tinubu is boldly and publicly attacking Buhari and his government. This man is vicious. Can you imagine? This man suddenly distancing himself from Buhari. Where is Garba Shehu, Femi Adesina, Lai Mohammed? By the way, is Festus Keyamo there while Tinubu attacks Buhari? Well, in the meantime, amid the outrage emanating from the CBN's cashless policy and the scarcity of the redesigned currency, a video posted on Twitter by a person who goes by the name Shehu revealed a group of volunteers who have organized a cash swap program for their community in the name of Bola Ahmed Tinubu, the APC flag bearer. Let's take a look before we come back for a discussion.
As you can see, it's ongoing. The incoming President of the Federal Republic of Nigeria.
Let me move this now. Let me move this. It's important we vote rightly. That is what I want to say. Okay? Elections, people are campaigning. We have 24 days to go. 24 days to go. It's good for us to vote the right candidate. Please, let's do the right thing. It's important we do the right thing. If we miss it now, I wonder what it's going to be. Let us not miss it at all. Let us not miss it. It's important we don't miss it, okay? It's important we don't miss it. I will continue with the video for analysis. Let them analyze what, because there's a video just now I showed where someone was swapping cash, okay? someone was swapping cash, So is that vote buying or what? So all these things they need to address it. They need to address it then. So it's part of vote buying. Okay, I will just play a part of the analysis of the Arise team TV crew. So let me just play part of it. Let me play part of it. Let's share it before I call it a day. All right.
Now, the CBN also says that it has 30,000 cash agents, either mobile money operators or those who operate POS all over the country. The CBN also has a task force out there that is going by your name, your phone number, your address.
Some people wake up and check their phones.
All right. Okay. Just a two analysis of that anyway. So it's a first to vote rightly, man. Let's do the right thing. Okay. Before I call it a day, the person I'm campaigning for, Peter Obi, I will just play why you need to vote for him. Just a little clip of a video of him, of why you need to vote for him.